If you want to sign into OneDrive quickly and without confusion, this video will walk you through the exact process step by step. Whether you're trying to access your files for work, school, or personal storage, signing in correctly is the first thing you need to do. And don't worry if you've never done it before, because I'll make this simple and easy to follow from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft OneDrive. You can type OneDrive into your search bar or go directly to the OneDrive website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. This is what you'll use to access your existing Microsoft account and open your OneDrive storage. Go ahead and click Sign In. After that, Microsoft will ask you to enter your email address. This should be your Microsoft email or your Outlook email address, depending on which account you use. Carefully type it in, and once you're sure it's correct, click Next. At this point, Microsoft may ask you to complete a security check. What happens next depends on how your account is set up. In some cases, you'll be asked to enter your password right away. If that happens, type your password carefully and then continue. In other cases, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity using a recovery email address or an alternate email address. You might also receive a code sent to your Gmail or another email inbox that is linked to your account. If a verification code is sent, open the email account where the code was delivered, find the message from Microsoft, and copy the code exactly as shown. Then return to OneDrive and enter it into the verification box. Make sure you type everything correctly, because even one wrong character can stop the sign-in process from working. Once you've completed the verification step, Microsoft may show you a button that says Verify or Sign In. Click that button to finish the process. After a successful login, your OneDrive account will open, and you'll be signed in and ready to access your files, folders, uploads, and cloud storage. If this is your first time signing in, you may also see a few setup prompts or account confirmation screens. Just follow the instructions on the screen and continue until you reach your OneDrive dashboard. From there, you can start viewing your documents, photos, and any files that you've stored in the cloud. If you ever get stuck, the most common issues are typing the wrong email address, using the wrong password, or not checking the correct inbox for the verification code. So if something doesn't work the first time, take a moment, go back and double check each step carefully. And that's it. You've successfully signed into OneDrive. Now you can manage your files, upload content, and access everything stored in your Microsoft Cloud account from anywhere. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.